Hi guys, it's your girl. You know, Yami. Alright, real quick here. This is for shopping. If you're interested in shopping with me, finish watching this video, okay? If you're not, you can finish watching the video anyways. It's fun. I try to have fun anyways. Alright, this is what I need. I need you to email me at yamisadventures@gmail.com. In your email, I need, please, your address, phone number, or best way to contact you if I need to contact you, and a description of the items that you need, or that you want. Not that you need, the items that you want. If I have them on emails, I have them all listed together. If I do it off of the group, I have to search for who ordered what. So I figured out doing emails would be a lot easier. Shipping, as of right now, I can't tell you how much shipping is going to cost for anything. I would need the weight, where it's got to go, and the size box that is. I will do the cheapest shipping option for you, since you are paying for the shipping. I'm all about trying to save you money. I'm saving you money by shopping at the outlet for you, and I'm going to save you money by finding the cheapest possible shipping. The ink and paint items that are at the outlet right now are very heavy. Unless I can get them into a flat rate box, it's going to cost a lot of money to ship that stuff. So fingers crossed, I go and get some boxes of the flat rate, and I can find out if it fit in any. I'll get one of each size to use for like comparison on things. Unless I have the item in my hands, I can't tell you how much something weighs, and so I can't tell you how much it's going to cost. As of right now, we are going to do international shipping. International is all new to us, so we're going to be learning along with you guys on international shipping. So I ask that you bear with me. That way we can get this worked out, and it's going to be a rough little couple weeks here, but I think things will smooth out, and the next shop things will go a lot smoother. I have Celeste on the group helping out to answer as many questions as possible for you, and so far she's doing a wonderful job. She's gotten everybody's answers for them, and they've been correct, so good job. I will be closing shop on Saturday, a week from today. So all orders must be in by 6 p.m. Saturday the 30th. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Florida time. So 6 p.m. my time in Florida is cut off. So please make sure you get that email in before 6. I will take 6 p.m. but 6:01 will not be taken. You can hold your email and get it on the next shop, because then once I get all these items packaged up, things paid for, shipped off, I will be opening shop again, and I'm going to continue to try to keep going like that. So every 2 weeks, open up shop, close, ship, open up shop, close, ship, you know, that little routine. That's what we're going to try to do. Fees. Now, my fee for outlet shopping starts at $10. The lowest it can be is $10. Once you hit $51, I go up to 20%. So 20% of your total is my fee. So I'm going to do the lower fees right now, and tips are greatly appreciated. So if I give you good service, please be sure to tip me, you know. But yes, you will be able to add on a tip once we get going. At first, we're going to be starting off as using friends and family only for right now on PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App regular. Once we get PayPal, once I get it flipped over to a business, I'll be able to do invoices, so then I'll start emailing you invoices, and on the invoices is an opportunity for you to tip there. Meanwhile, friends and family, I'm going to just tell you that your total is $25. If you want to tip me, send me more than $25, if you know what I mean. You know. So if you appreciate my work, you know, let me know. So, again, emails, please, please, please. Email me. Send me pictures. If you want to send me a picture, circle the item on there. If you're not sure about something, email. I will not be replying to emails until I have the total cost of your items. So I am getting your emails. They are going into a separate file, so that way I have all your emails together. If you comment on any of the threads in the group, either myself or Celeste or Boo or Robbie will answer you as soon as possible. If I am out shopping at the time, I'm not going to get messages. My phone will not work inside the warehouses for some reason. Well, it works inside iDrive better than it does Vineland, but I can't take messages or calls in the warehouse. So the best bet is to comment in the group, and Celeste will answer you or Boo will answer you. So any questions? You can comment down below, but make sure you hit that subscribe button. Last I looked, I'm at 895. We're looking for 1,000, folks. Looking for 1,000. So I need 105 more people. So look down below. Make sure you are subscribed. If you're not, hit that button now. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. There you go. Thank you. So we're going to get to 1,000 before the 31st. We have to, that's my goal. So it's a video out every day, even if it's just me rambling on here. A video is coming out every single day until I hit 1,000. So make sure you hit that bell to get notified, because every day I put a video out, you'll get notified. Alright. Oh, I want to thank a subscriber, Kay. We'll just use the letter K. She didn't want to be announced. Thank you for the Starbucks gift card that you emailed me. That was wonderful. So when we go to the outlet, we can have Starbucks. Isn't that great? So thank you for the coffee money. If anybody else is interested in sending coffee money, PayPal. And just comment coffee money and it will buy us a coffee. Oh yeah, one other thing. Somebody had made a comment to me. DVC members. Any DVC members on here? If you have any points that are going to be expiring and you cannot use, and you would love for me to do a room tour, I'm game. Just let me know. I will take any DVC. I don't care. Never stayed in a DVC. We would love a DVC. So if you have any expiring points and you don't want to just let them go to waste, think of your girl. I'm here. Alright guys. I will see you later. Let's go shopping. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bling.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.